Good morning, second grade. This is Mrs. Stewart, and we are on module 7, lesson 12. Once again, you're going to see this sprint on this one. It also has to do with money. So your mom and dad could maybe use some money at home. I didn't all the money that I had that we've used before in packets for for at school and for manipulatives, I didn't feel comfortable sending all of that home in the one packet because it was going to be super heavy. So, but I figured your mom and dad probably have either some fake money or some real money that you could even use. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's first read the directions. Solve using the arrow way. So it's giving us 3 options here. We're going to use the arrow way, number bond, or tape diagram. Jeremy has 80 cents. How much more money does he need to have $1? Okay, so we could make a number sentence here because that's the very first thing that I'm thinking when I'm seeing this is that I need to make a number sentence. So he has 80 cents, but we need to figure out how much to equal $1. If we were going to do this in a number bond, we would have $1 or 100 cents, and then we would have 80 cents, and then we would have what we were figuring out here. Okay, so when I look at this, I'm going to count by tens because I need to get to this should not be $100, but 100 cents, sorry. 100 cents. So I'm gonna go 80, 90, 100. So that's 10. So that's 10, 20. So I'm gonna put 20 cents right here. Okay, let's go ahead and do the next one. Abby bought a banana for 35 cents. She gave the cashier $1. How much change did she receive? Okay, so she has 35 cents, right? And it says she gave the cashier $1. Okay, so it's asking us basically a subtraction question. So we're gonna have 100 cents here. Subtract 35 equals what? Okay, so you could do it a couple different ways. Like it says, it's a tape diagram and number bond. So we could do 100 cents here like we did up here. Okay, and then we have 35 cents. And then we're trying to figure out what's over here. Okay, this is our question mark spot. And what we might want to do here is think about counting up in coins. So what I would do is the arrow way. This is the way Mrs. Stewart was thinking of it. And I would add 5 cents. So that would be 1 nickel here. Okay. And that would make this 40. Okay. And if I'm going up by 100, I could count by tens. So now I would need to add what I need to add to get to 100 cents. So if I'm at 40, I would go 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So that would be 60 cents. Okay. So 60 cents, I could do 6 dimes because that would be 10 cents each. I could have a 25-cent piece, so a quarter. And then I would need like 10 cents here would be 35 cents all the way up to get to 60. So whatever combination you want to use of money you can use, but you would need dimes, quarters, nickels to show how you got from 35 cents to 100 cents or $1. Okay. If you have any questions on that, please give Mrs. Stewart a call or email. And I will be also posting day 9 daily math. Thank you. Amen.